NTC Thermistor Attention! How to measure NTC resistance. Resistance value changes depending on temperature. NTC Thermistor. Point: environmental temperature measurement. In resistance measurement, it is very important to control the environmental temperature. If the thermometer is far from the measuring space, temperature might be different. Please control the temperature at measurement space correctly. NTC Thermistor. Comparison of measurement accuracy between air and liquid bath. In the case of air, measuring the resistance value is very difficult with high accuracy because temperature cannot be kept stable. Murata recommends measuring the resistance value in a liquid bath for higher accuracy. Please contact us if you have any trouble with resistance measurement during your incoming inspection.